The warehouse module makes equipment management across multiple facilities efficient and minimizes downtime. The system reduces common pain points like unidentified and unfixed issues, underperforming machines, and delayed repairs. With the warehouse mobile app in hand, technicians can take inventory on the go, update statuses and log every event utilizing QR code labels for every piece of equipment. Data is synchronized in Enterprise OS in real time and stored for each device, including maintenance history, serial numbers, QR codes, and more. The system makes it easy for facility managers to control the bigger picture, optimize processes, and improve operations performance. With the companion mobile app, staff can scan barcodes on site and instantly update statuses with a simple swipe. This eliminates manual tracking, providing a clean, organized system for accurate records, whether for security audits or day-to-day management. Easily categorize equipment as working, broken, or idle, and assign precise physical locations like container, rack, row, and column. The system keeps everything up to date as devices move, ensuring total visibility across your operation. Schedule routine inspections, use the blink LED function to quickly locate machines, and access detailed maintenance history for informed decision-making. By utilizing the warehouse features, your business gains advanced inventory tracking, increased uptime, reduced cost, and more efficient mining operations.